Hello, this is my first vlog. I feel completely uncomfortable talking to a camera. This is really strange for me. Today we're going to Watkin's Path, which is a lovely waterfall up the Snowdon. It's not very well known, it's quite hidden. We discovered it a while ago, it's one of our favourite spots, we really love it there. We'll be driving in this Fiat 500, yes it is my granny's car, and it does have a cat on the back. So it's about a 2-hour drive to get there. We'll see you when you're there. Just arrived at Watkin's Path. The drive was quite nice, the views were stunning like the one behind me. This is located just outside Bedgelid in North Wales, and it's just off the main road. There's parking here, and then you just head up to the footpath which is right by the parking, and it's about a half an hour walk until you get to the waterfall. But the path also goes up Snowdon if you want to go all the way, but we won't be doing that today. It's a hot day today, about 22 degrees, so we're both really excited to get in the water, because last time we came was midsummer and it was a lot warmer then, but I'm guessing the water's going to be cold today. But it's going to be a nice break after this long walk. Okay, we just arrived at Watkin's Waterfall. You can see it just above Bella there.
We've been walking for so long and I'm so out of breath because I haven't been to the gym in 5 months.
We've been walking for about 25 minutes. It's a light stroll from the car park.
It's all uphill.
It's easy.
Tom, it's not funny. That's not funny.
So we're here at Watkin's Path. It's just like a series of gorgeous turquoise pools below a lovely waterfall. It goes on for a long way. Last time me and Bella came, we only explored this area. We didn't really think there was much else to it, but I've just realised that it goes right the way up the river and there's far more pools than we imagined. So we're going to explore some of that and you're going to see that today. we're back at the car now. We had a really great time there. We went and explored further upstream of the waterfall and found some really cool stuff. We found like a 14-foot cliff diving spot, which was so much fun. But then, because it's autumn, the sun sets a bit sooner, and the sun set behind the mountain. It got a bit cold, so we came back. This is my first vlog, so I'm not expecting it to be very good, but if you did enjoy it, please leave a comment. It really means a lot to hear your support. I really appreciate it. And if I could ask for one favour, all of you lot going off to uni, share this with your new uni friends. Try and get it spreading around your uni, and that would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you. See you in the next one.